polisher turns on, it's going to send fuel up, through, into here, polishes it, drops back down into this line here. That line goes back to that tank. The only purpose of this thing is to circulate fuel. Okay, that's it. You have ball valves, obviously, all the way throughout. This will be your supply to the other tanks. All of this will have to be manually opened and closed. Okay, so when you're trying to fill those tanks over there, you'll open the ball valve up. You'll open the ball valve in the grates down here below the Veeder-Root, and then fill each tank specifically. Okay, you are going to have to know. I mean, you guys are going to know already, but you'll have to know which tank needs the fuel. So you'll have to open that specific one. When it's ready to fill, you guys go open that valve up. It'll start filling that tank up. You can watch it on the Veeder-Root in real time. It'll start filling up. As you're watching it, it'll go from 2,000 to 3,000 to 4,000. You cap it off, okay? Inside of here is where the piping comes from underground to above ground. Same rule applies, okay? Your piping comes in. All of your piping is fiberglass. All of the sumps are fiberglass. It's the exact same technology that you are looking at inside of the tank, just in a smaller box, okay? So over here, on this side right here, you have a smaller canister, but same deal, brine, okay? It's a small sensor, it's just constantly monitoring the brine. Over here, you have your sump sensor, okay? Right here. This is gonna monitor the same exact thing. This one is a little bit smarter than the ones in the tank. This one will be able to tell you if it's fuel or water. It'll show you in different alarm categories, okay? So you'll get to the point where you're about here, and it'll say water alarm. When you get to a little bit higher, it has another sensor in there, it'll tell you if it's a fuel alarm or not, okay?
In case of like rain.
Exactly. There is an O-ring down on the inside. We'll get it out of there. We'll put it on here. But basically, it's just a foam ring. It'll help a little bit. It's not the best. I've heard that you guys have some, issues with transients and stuff like that. You're more than welcome to put locks on here. I suggest a combination lock, something that everybody has access to the combination, but you can't just open it up and access it, okay? This is all gonna be fueling. This is all fueling, okay? You'll have active lines in here that have product running through as you're in normal operation. We'll move over to the other side here.